Two convoluted rubber or electronic tubes, often one blue and one silver or red. One is placed around the thoracic or upper chest and the other around the abdominal area. First, we have the pneumograph chest assemblies. One tube is placed around the thoracic area and other around the abdominal area. As the subject breathes, the tubes expand and contract. The Lafayette sensor converts this internal air pressure change into electronic signals to measure breathing rate, depth, and potential suppression. Next is the blood pressure cuff. Similar to a medical sphygmomanometer, this part tracks cardiovascular activity throughout the test. The parts a standard pressurized cuff wrapped around the upper arm, or sometimes the forearm or calf. So the function is monitor changes in blood pressure, pulse rate, and pulse amplitude. A cardiorrhythmia, a steady increase in baseline blood pressure, is a classic physiological sign associated with the stress of deception. Next is the galvanic skin response. This component monitors the activity of the sweat glands, which are highly sensitive to emotional and cognitive stress. So the parts two stainless steel finger plates or disposable adhesive electrodes attached to the index and ring fingers or the palm. The function is measures electrodermal activity. When a subject is stressed by a question, the sweat glands increase moisture levels, which increase electrical conductivity. So finally, we utilize the activity sensor or motion mat. So this placed under the subject or beneath their feet. It detects subtle muscle movements or countermeasures attempts by the subject to manipulate the results by tensing muscles or shifting weight. It ensured the integrity of the physiological data. The data acquisition system, the examiner taps the small black box connected to the laptop. All the sensors lead back to this, the data acquisition system. It acts as the brain, converting the analog signals from the subject body into digital data that appears on the screen as the chart we analyze.